people worry that when they get scalp micropigmentation, it's gonna look like a paint. It's not gonna look natural. It's gonna look bad. And what we specialize in is in hyper-realistic micropigmentation. What does that mean? Hyper-realistic micropigmentation means that every dot and every impression that we make is gonna look so natural and so real that nobody's gonna even know that you have a tattoo on your scalp. We do natural receded hairlines. We do rounded hairlines compared to that sharp, hard, boxy look. Recommendation would be for you to feel comfortable with an artist, just go visit them, get a face-to-face consultation, even FaceTime. So questions to ask during your consultation. Who certified you? How many certifications do you have? How many years have you been doing this? Can you show me a portfolio of your work? Are all these pictures yours, or are you working under somebody else's image? How versed are you doing different type of hairlines? Do you have a license to perform this service? Normally, by law, every artist should display their license. Do you have insurance? My name is Jasmine. I am the founder of Velo Ink Studios in Wynwood, Miami.